Since I was 4 years old, my feet have been warped in strips of clothes to inhibit growth. 'Cause small feet were appreciated at the time, but I most lost the ability to walk instead.
When I was 13, my mother introduced me to another family to be a child bride.
Around that time, my children could barely talk. My husband was burned alive by the Japanese soldiers on his way work.
After I lost the ability to cook, I was not allowed to eat at table.
Through my whole life, I survived from the massacre by the Japanese, survived from the 3-year famine, and 10 years of civil strife after. But I'm not permitted to eat above steaming rice in peaceful age.
I was forced to cook for my husband's 7 younger siblings after I married him.
Once I was cooking, I was just too sleepy, and a pot of boiled oil was knocked over me, left a scar on my face.
The rice was not always sufficient. I need to break off some corn kernels and vegetables to cook a soup. That is my meal.
My mother-in-law said that my room was useless since I couldn't bear a boy for her family.
I've been through the worst few days in the hospital after giving birth to my daughter. I lived on some bread and pickles from the kiosks of the hospital. My daughter once asked me when she was in elementary school, "Mom, does Grandma not like me?"
My husband was getting obsessed with webcasting. He uses our joint savings to pay bounties for female webcasters.
He was seriously addicted to TikTok and spent all his days lying in bed scrolling on his phone.
When I was working, some of my customers tried to reassure me not to be angry with my husband, and I said to them in frustration, "Don't believe in man's vows and don't get married in the future."
I don't have to buy my feet. I'm given the opportunity to get educated. I can work outside home. I have the right to love anyone freely.
But my parents still taught me that no man wants a woman who can't cook.
I wish someone could tell me you could cook because you enjoy cooking, not because you are a woman.